There's nothing more beautiful than spending your first Christmas in the golden sun of the Australian heat. The beauty of it all is surreal and makes it all much more special. Every other year, I've hoped for a white Christmas, but this year, I'm hoping to not get burnt. For this Christmas, we are heading to the shop to do some last-minute maintenance on Xavier's car before his race tomorrow on Boxing Day. Then, we are going to have a lovely Christmas lunch with some festive Aussie Christmas traditions. Lastly, to wind down the day, driving back to our Airbnb while the sun is setting to end a very Merry Christmas.
So Xavier, how do you feel about spending Christmas in the heat and getting ready for racing?
Well, I think the heat's a little different for Christmas, but I'm fairly used to spending time away during Christmas for racing the shootout and quarter midgets down in Florida and all that kind of stuff. So being away during Christmas isn't a whole lot different. It's just weird being hot. You kind of forget it's Christmas, but then again, it's Christmas. So I'm excited to race tomorrow at Boxing Day, and I hope we do good.
Cheers. Caliper starts there again. Twist and
What happened to the turkey at Christmas?
What?
He got gobbled.
Awesome. So, that was my first Australian Christmas. No snow, no fireplaces, just heat and some of the best people I've ever met. It's definitely different, but I think I could get used to this. Tomorrow, we head to the track for some fast racing action. If you're watching this, let me know in the comments. Would you swap your cold Christmas for a Speedway Christmas in the sun? Don't forget to hit subscribe to follow the rest of our Aussie racing experience. Happy holidays, everyone!